One of the best ways to deploy and manage integrations, apps, and APIs is via an asset exchange. These exchanges aren't just repositories though. They can play a central part of your operational strategy and unlock a huge amount of IT efficiency. Let's see how by taking a look at Anypoint Exchange, part of MuleSoft's Anypoint Platform. Anypoint Exchange houses all of your MuleSoft assets, including various types of APIs, integrations, and automations. We're going to look at Exchange's asset usage and engagement feature. Developer productivity stems from 1. Easily discovering and reusing relevant assets with confidence, and 2. Understanding where and how assets are being used so they can make informed decisions. Engagement scores support this by reflecting the popularity and reuse of an asset based on a weighted average across the number of downloads, how often it's imported into an API or the studio, and its dependencies in relation to other assets. You can modify this view depending on time period or organizational structure via the respective drop-downs. This score can play a huge part in influencing your operational strategy. Assets with a higher score can be considered for more investment and internal promotion. Assets with a lower score might be candidates for depreciation or further internal investigation. And you can even view this score on a version by version basis and apply the same operational strategy. That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Anypoint Exchange, take a look at our What's New in Anypoint Exchange blog. And for everything else, head on over to MuleSoft.com.